Welcome to Coin Daily, the channel which brings you the newest and hottest projects on the blockchain. And today we have a special guest named Prjct Token. PRJCT is their website, and let's have a look what exactly they offer us. Here's the website, PRJCTtoken.com. This is the token address and who we are. Creative, a new technology social system where the physical and digital worlds converge. Project IRL is an immersive, experimental gallery with digital and physical art, collectibles, and merch. Project seeks to bridge the gap with a shared physical and virtual experience through clothing, art, and events. For sure, they have their own white paper. I don't want to bore you with that details, but here we have some nice NFT looking pictures, creative minds behind the project, the Chief, Ty, and Carl. And yes, the vision of this project. Let's see what they talk about their vision. Token launch. Prjct Token is a utility token ERC20 built on the Ethereum blockchain. Prjct Token holders that also possesses a Prjct Pass of exclusive perks at our IRL and Web3 experiential retail galleries, as well IRL events such as A-list festivals, concerts, and sporting events. Prjct Pass is an exclusive membership pass that grants users tiered benefits, entry to exclusive curated events, rewards, forging, and more. You will be able to load your Prjct Pass with Prjct tokens for added perks. Members who hold elevated Prjct token amounts will have access to a higher tier of benefits. In simple terms, the more Prjct tokens you hold, the higher the tier. Inside Prjct brick and mortar locations, as well as our augmented retail Web3 space, use your Prjct token and pass for forging, fashion, art, music, and more. Here you can see the augmented retail. For sure, these guys are on Twitter, soon on this side. Let's have a look on their team. So this is a very, very new project, guys. And let me say one, if you're not the first, you will be the last. Take your bags, take your money bags, and throw some money inside this project. We have here Jesse Edwards, Jordan Nine, Guyan, Kirva, and Vu. This is the team, and yes, you can contact them for sure, or just Telegram or Twitter. But let's have a look on their tokenomics. This is the contract address. Just copy paste this, and you can buy this token on Uniswap. That means it is a ERC20 token. By the way, you can contact them with this form also. But you can see here, tokenomics here is not much to pay for every transaction. 2% distributed to all holders, 2% fee to the liquidity pool, 2% moved to exchange wallet, and 4% fee moved to marketing wallet. And I like this logo. It looks very nice. Here you can see the project, the letters of project and token, and this triangle. So it is very nice looking logo. You can find it easily again. And yes, let me know what you think about this project. Let's have a look first They have right now 164 members on Telegram, so it is a hot project, a very new project. So be one of the first guys. They have right now on Twitter 716 followers. And yeah, that's it. That's it for now. I think we will look further on Prjct Token, what exactly they are offering in the future for their community, if they're offering more for the community. I don't think it's just another hype. I mean, look at this nice logo on that chart. It's very matching. They have their own shop. You can buy their t-shirt right now for $65 US. I think it's a good price for qualitative, very good chart with very nice looking logo, where everyone will ask you, can you tell me more about this? What is that exactly? And you have already a new investor for Prjct Token. So let me know what you think about this project. It seems to be a very early in project, so if you throw some money inside that project, you will have a very high chance to make it a 10x or 100x or more even. We never know how far a project is going on the blockchain. You can see all these big projects right now. The top 10, people never thought they were in the top 10. These projects we have right now, you saw them many months ago, not even near top 10, not even top 100, some of them. And yeah, let me know what you think about this project. PRJCTtoken.com is their website. Write it down in the comments what you think about this project. Leave me a like and maybe subscribe to this channel if you want to see the newest and hottest project on the blockchain. And until next video, I wish you the very best profits with Prjct Token, and see you later alligator. Bye.